morning, students. Let us see the last lesson, Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. Voyaging means journey. Journey towards excellence. Excellence, the best. Excellence is an abstract noun, and the adjective is excellent, which we used many times in our life. So, journey towards the best, that is, voyaging towards excellence. Our life is a voyage from childhood to age old, and there are many more people around us. They lived and are leading excellent life. Look at the picture. Some excellent lives example I have presented here. Mahatma Gandhi ji lived excellent life. Baba Amte. Sundar Pichai is living a very excellent life. His life goes towards the excellence. Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu, Lata Mangeshkar, and our writer Achyut Godbole. In this lesson, Achyut Godbole explained how his life traveled from his childhood to the excellence. He born in 1950. Near about 70 years life journey is presented here in this book, and we will get many more inspiring events in this lesson, which will guide you in our life. See some icebreakers related to this topic. Types of journey. Cruise means a journey on a boat or ship to a number of place. जो हम प्रवास करते हैं बोट या शिप से और बहुत सारी जगह हम जाते हैं, that is cruise. Expedition. It is a journey especially by a group of people for a specific purpose. जैसे माउंटेनियर एक्सपेडिशन के लिए जाते हैं ना, वैसे दिस जर्नी इज बाय ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल एंड ए स्पेसिफिक पर्पस के लिए किया जाता है. देन कैंप. एनएसएस कैंप इज देयर, एनसीसी कैंप इज देयर. सो व्हाट इज कैंप? Camp is a place usually away from urban area where tents are erected for shelter. जहाँ हम टेंट भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, अर्बन एरिया से दूर रहता है और जहाँ हम टेंट खड़ा कर सकते हैं और वहाँ हम रह सकते हैं, दैट इज कैंप. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स परहैप्स एंजॉयड NSS and NCC camp. Then trip. What is trip? Trip is a brief pleasure outdoor visit. Brief means short pleasure. We are enjoying trip for short pleasure when we get bored, and it is outdoor visit. Then excursion. Excursion, it's a short journey to a place with particular purpose. कुछ particular purpose से हम इस short journey करते हैं. Then picnic. I think we all have enjoyed picnic many times in our school days also. So picnic for sheer enjoyment. खाली enjoyment के लिए हम करते हैं. And picnic, a short visit to an outdoor place where people celebrate, enjoy and eat meals. It is only for entertainment. And then voyage. Voyage, a long journey on a ship. That is voyage. So here we will see the voyage of Achyut Godbole. Because our life is a voyage. Voyage starts from childhood to age old. So let us see the voyage of Achyut Godbole from his childhood to up to 70 years old. One more activity is given here, that is qualities required for excellence. All around us we see many excellent people, and we are getting number of qualities from their personality. We can note that. So you have to remember these qualities and you have to write. Two qualities already given here, vision and hard work. Vision means हम एक ब्रॉड व्यू, एक दृष्टिकोण रखते हैं, भविष्य में जाकर कुछ बनने का विजन भी हम रखते हैं ना, विजन एंड हार्ड वर्क, बहुत मेहनत भी करना आना चाहिए। तो और कौन कौन सी क्वालिटीज़ है दैट मेक पर्सन excellent? Perseverance means the ability to work continuously for a long period of time. बहुत काल के लिए हम चिकाटी रख के काम करते हैं, उसको हम perseverance बोलते हैं। Then devotion, समर्पण रहता है, devotion चाहिए। Without devotion we can't become excellent person. Curiosity leads you towards excellence. Then patience is very important. Without patience, not a single man leads towards excellence. Then positive attitude, very important quality. Determination, alertness, awareness, endurance, creativity, so many qualities are there, and we are getting in the life of excellent person. So let us see the lesson by Achyut Godbole. We will see the introductory part of the writer. Achyut Godbole, born in 1950, is well known for his writing in Marathi and English. He is a science student. Still, there is great literary touch to his life. And how this touch has got to his life, that is explained in this lesson. So, he became a writer not only in English but also in Marathi. Marathi is his mother tongue. He is a prolific writer in various genres and has produced numerous original work as well as adaptation of works from other languages into Marathi. See, he is a prolific writer. He wrote number of books, not only in a particular topic or particular subject, but many more topics, many more subjects he has touched. Even the books of economics, Arthat, I think the book is Arthat, Kimayagar, that is the book on his life, and many other books, number of books, even the art, music, he wrote books on art and music also. So his personality is versatile personality, अष्टपैलू व्यक्तिमत्व उसे हम बोलते हैं. So he wrote his own writing as well as he adapted the writing of other languages and transformed it into Marathi and English. So this is the greatest devotion, or we can say the accomplishment to the literature. His writing style of works from other languages into Marathi, his writing style is informative and yet very informal. Writing style is informative, still it is informal. Informative writing he always prefer. His style is informative, which gives information. Still his way of writing is informal way. Formal means there is familiarity. Informal, that will touch the heart of reader. He became a chemical engineer from IIT Mumbai in 1972. He is a IIT engineer from Mumbai, the most reputed college. Still he became the great writer, and headed up management position in companies of great repute. Repute means in reputed companies. He enjoyed the topmost post of management like CEO, Chief Executive Officer in reputed companies. So, reading this, we have got the versatile personality of Achyut Godbole. Science student, very brilliant student, IIT engineer, writer, translator, then became CEO, means in the field of commerce he has touched. So versatile personality. This autobiographical sketch, this lesson is an autobiographical sketch. Autobiographical sketch means when the writer writes about his own life experiences. This is autobiographical sketch or writing, penned by Achyut Godbole. penned means wrote by Achyut Godbole, depicts his journey. In this lesson, he depicts his journey from middle class schoolboy to famous writer. So, he described from his childhood days and how he travelled, how the voyage of his life led towards the excellence. He was a successful general manager of Patni Computer System. He enjoyed a general manager's post in Patni Computer System. He headed many other reputed companies and later became a famous writer. Not only this one, but many other reputed companies he headed, means he became the boss of this company, he became the general manager of this company, he became the CEO of this company, and then he became a writer. The present write-up discusses his quest for excellence. This write-up means which we are learning this lesson. This is a write-up. I think this is from Kimayagar, the book Kimayagar. Discuss the quest for excellence. Means the basic key of his life is the quest. There is a great quest in his life for excellence. Whatever is his life from his childhood days. He always struggled hard a lot. He struggled hard a lot to become very, very excellent. That was his passion, that was his thirst. So the present write-up discusses his quest for excellence, how he developed a thirst for knowledge. That is described. कैसे उन्होंने डेवलप किया वो. He discusses at length the ingredients, essentials of success and the ways to achieve it. What are the ingredients? What are the essentials of success? Essentials means अत्यावश्यक बाबी. And how he achieved that success, that is explained. So that you will get lot of inspiration from this lesson. From a middle class boy to the most reputed writer person. So let us see the actual lesson. Voyaging towards excellence. I had a very simple upbringing. We were a lower middle class family. Upbringing means the way a child is treated, especially in early period of life. That is upbringing. And here writer's upbringing is very simple. We use some specific adjectives for this upbringing noun. We can say good upbringing, proper upbringing, or stable upbringing. Here writer has used a simple upbringing. So I had a very simple upbringing. We were lower middle class family. He was the child of middle class family. Middle class family से आया था. Our 300 square feet house did not even have basic amenities such as fan, refrigerator, geyser, dining table, gas stove, leave alone an air conditioner or a car. Simple upbringing, so naturally there were no many amenities or not even common amenities at his home. There were not common amenities in his home like gas, stove, fan, refrigerator, geyser or air conditioner and car like that. It was only when I entered the college that I got a watch and we got a dining table and a gas stove at home. When his college days started, a gas stove came in his home and he also got one watch. And really that time he got lot of joy. First time he got the watch. Then I had a rich childhood. See, at one side he said, I am from middle class. There was he lived in a very common family. Even the basic amenities were not there in his home. Still, he says that I had a rich childhood. What is the meaning of rich childhood? means he got lot of values. He came in contact of many more valuable people, and that's why he says rich childhood. So students, keep this point in your mind. If we don't get money in our life, it will not make any matter. But always try to come in contact of many more great people, so that our life we can run towards the excellence. So this is the key of his excellence, that he got the company of these greatest people. When we will read the name of them, really we get astonished how fortunate Achyut Godbole is for the company of these greatest people. So in this sense, Achyut Godbole says, I had a rich childhood. Poets like Vinda Karandikar, Mangesh Padgaonkar and Vasant Bapach used to visit our home and for hours. They were visiting his home. Used to means many times in the past. Used to we are using in using for past tense. They used to do, and these people had the habit to visit his home. Many times he got the company of them, as well as they were visiting not for 1 or 2 hours, but for hours. Even sometimes they were spending night at his home, and so he got lot of company of them, and that's why his life turned into gold, we can say. I could listen to the discussion about poetry and literature, Marathi and English. Now we are getting why he became a writer, because in his childhood days, there were many literary people. They were visiting his home, like Mangesh Padgaonkar, Vinda Karandikar, the greatest writer and poet. And he got the company of them. They were discussing about the literature of Marathi and English. That time, Achyut Godbole was not able to understand all these things, but still, he got that touch, and just he was listening, because there was great curiosity in his mind. His mind always remained curious. Though he didn't understand that, still he was listening, and slowly it mingles into his blood and became the part and parcel of his personality. In this way, his life turned completely. Literature, Marathi and English, they used to talk about Keshav Sut Mardekar, Shakespeare, Charles Dickens and Thomas Hardy. Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, the Western literary person, writers. Thomas Hardy, a pessimistic writer, but there is a great spiritual touch to his writing, Thomas Hardy. I did not fully understand their discussion in depth. Achyut Godbole says, I didn't understand whatever the discussion was there of this great writer or literary person in depth, but a little bit I was getting, and so I took interest in listening. See students, listening power, we are getting the quality, that is listening power. There should be very good listening power. That listening power ran towards the excellence. I did not fully understand their discussion in depth, but I was immensely impressed. Immensely impressed means I got immensely impressed, largely impressed. मैं बहुत उनके ऊपर impress होता था. Influence, great influence was there on my mind. बहुत impress होता था. मैं बहुत खुश होता था. उसका बहुत बड़ा impact मेरे mind पे होता था. We also are lucky to have Pandit Kumar Gandharva, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and Pandit Jasraj, very well known names from the music industry. Pandit Kumar Gandharva, then Bhimsen Joshi, then Pandit Jasraj, they also visiting his home, and he got the company of them. They visit our place and talk about Indian music till late night or sometimes dawn time. They were visiting his home and they were staying at his home. Late night they were discussing about the music and art. Sometimes the discussion was going at the time of dawn, means early morning period, means the complete night, and even at the dawn period, means early morning period, the discussion was going on, and Achyut Godbole was taking interest in listening to that. discussion even in his childhood days. Why it is possible? Of course, there was curiosity in his mind. So we have to keep our mind curious always. Students, when I am teaching you, you have to point out the qualities. We have to point out the qualities, because that will make your career excellent, as well as it will help you to write the answer for activities. So, curious mind is the point we have to remember. He was curious, that's why there was listening power. If you are curious, automatically listening power will come in your personality. So, be curious. Yes, this is how and why I developed my interest in literature and music during my school days. So he explained, this is how I got the interest in literature and music. He developed the interest in literature and music because he got a very good company of literary person as well as the well-known people from the art, and so he became artist, or we can say the writer. I did not even today don't understand the grammar of music. I did not understand that time, and even today the grammar of this music or the art. Grammar means the basic things, ABC. ABC. I did not even today don't understand the grammar of music, but I began to love it tremendously since then. But I was listening to them, so I loved that music and art, literature, sculpture, many more subjects were there, many more themes were there. He was taking interest in that because he was curious. Most of the times, the topic of discussion at our home were about music, literature, painting, sculpture, etc. So, what type of discussion was at his home in his childhood days? So, and just compare what is the discussion today in your home and what was the discussion of Achyut Godbole at his home. Just compare it and then decide that what we have to discuss in the home, what type of atmosphere we have to create in our mind. And if we remain aware about this, definitely our life can lead towards the excellence. So, most of the time the topics of discussion, it was about music, literature, painting and sculpture. I could listen to the discussion about Van Gogh, मोजार्ट. इवन उन्होंने डिस्कशन मोजार्ट का भी डिस्कशन किया था, उसके बारे में पढ़ा था. he is a fan of reading. Whenever he was visiting number of places in his life, even in many more foreign countries he visited, and always he was visiting the library. I heard his speech and I also got impressed by his speech. So I heard that fact of his life. He said that wherever I was going, I was visiting the library and I was collecting some precious book, some rare books. So Mozart, Michelangelo, etc. It was because of such a milieu around me that I had a firm belief, which I still hold, that all arts are equally, if not more important in our lives than science or technology. See, milieu means social environment. Milieu means social environment. It was because of such milieu, he said, because of such social environment around me that I had firm belief. I got very good social environment, and so I could make firm belief, firm statements for my life. There was firm philosophy of my life. There were firm opinions of my life. There was great trust in my life about some qualities. I had firm belief, which I still hold, that all arts are equally, if not more, important in our lives than science and technology. So this is his firm belief, that all art is very, very important. Equally, they are equally important. if not more important in our lives than science and technology. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से अगर ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट प्रैक्टिकली नहीं दिखाई देता है, स्टिल इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज दिस आर्ट म्यूजिक विल cultivate your mind. It will nourish your personality. If there is no personality, what is the meaning of science and technology then? There should be culture to your personality. There should be values, base of values to your life. Then only you can enjoy your life. So this is the base. This is the first thing. And later, science and technology, we can enjoy the benefits of science and technology. So, Achyut Godbole gives stress to the importance of art and music. I had learnt from my childhood that money does not mean everything in life. Science and technology may help you to earn money, but it is not everything. But money only helps you to live your life comfortable. Only this is the importance of money in our life. Otherwise, money is nothing. This fact you have to understand. Other students, there were number of storms in his life. Many storms came in his life. Still, his personality is very, very happy. If there was only the background of science and technology, definitely it was not possible to him to stand again in his life. Because the greatest storm I heard from his speech that I got astonished. Still the person stood on his feet with great energy. This is because of his precious childhood, because of art and music, because of these values, qualities. So try to understand the importance of qualities in our life. Money does not mean everything in life. It is necessary, but if at all there is something which enriches our lives and puts meaning to our existence, it is the art, music and literature. See, Achyut Godbole says that what enriches your life, the thing that enrich your life is art, म्यूज़िक एंड लिटरेचर. अगर अपने लाइफ को कोई बात बहुत बड़ा मतलब ऊपर की ओर खींचती है, नहीं तो बहुत सधन बनाती है, अपने लाइफ को बहुत ग्रेट एक्सलेंट बनाती है, सधन बनाती है, पॉपुलर बनाती है, यूज़फुल बनाती है, तो वो बात है आर्ट. देयर शुड बी द प्लेस टू द आर्ट, म्यूज़िक एंड लिटरेचर. If there is no place for these things in our life, definitely your life or our life will become meaningless. Okay, we will see the next part in the next lesson. Thank you.